In this video, I will show you how to edit a photo with Capcut. So when you open up your Capcut like this, you can see over here in the dashboard, choose photo editor. So click on photo editor over there and then go ahead and choose the photo you want to edit. So quickly, I'll look for the photo I want to edit. So for my case, I'll choose this photo and then click on edit. Once I click on edit for this photo, be patient until it's done loading. Okay, so this is the photo over here I'm editing of this gentleman here. So if you want to add some bit of stickers, go ahead and tap on this sticker and then choose a sticker you want to add. Say for example, I want to add this star sticker. Just download it and then tap on that tick and then adjust it according to where you want it to go. So for my case, I want it to go on this coat. Put it there like that. Okay, and you're good to go. And then go ahead and do some other adjustments if you want. You can go ahead and come to adjust, increase the shine like that. You can see the difference if I reduce, if I increase. Then the brightness increase if you want, exposure increase if you want, okay? And then contrast increase if you want. And then if you're done editing, just tap on the tick and export. But for exporting on a CapCut, point to note is that most cases they load some ads. So guys, this is the photo. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.